5 photography tips that will make you look like a pro. These are the 5 essential photography tips are presented for beginners. These simple yet effective techniques will help you capture stunning images and enhance your photography skills. Number 1. Understanding your camera. Explore the basic functionalities of your camera. Familiarize yourself with shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. Understand the relationship between these settings and image quality. Number 2. Composition rules. Learn the rule of thirds. Utilize leading lines to guide the viewer's eye. Master framing and negative space to create impact. Number 3. Exposure. Understanding proper exposure for a well-balanced image. Use the histogram to assess your exposure. Learn how to adjust exposure manually or automatically. Number 4. Lighting techniques. Identify natural light and its advantages. Recognize the impact of different light sources. Experiment with artificial light for creative effects. Number 5. Practice makes perfect. Take your camera everywhere with you. Shoot in various conditions to expand your skills, review your photos, and identify areas for improvement.